This is the Black Friday limited edition box. It goes on sale midnight, Friday the 26th of November. Make sure you get this, guys. 10 products, 7 of them are full size, 3 of them are deluxe minis. £12.50 for subscribers, £20 for non-subscribers. Bargain. Hi there guys, and welcome to my channel. Today's video I have an unboxing for you, and it is this. So I really was not expecting to do this unboxing. Every month I get a free PR box from GlossyBox to do a video on my channel to show my viewers, and every now and then I get a box posted to me which is one of the limited edition boxes. And that's what this is. So just to be totally clear and transparent, I have not paid for this. It was sent to me to do this. So I've just got some information on my computer over here. And it just says the GlossyBox Black Friday 2021 limited edition will go on sale at midnight on Friday the 26th of November for both subscribers and non-subscribers. So it says here, if you are a non-subscriber, this box will cost you £20, which I think in itself is a great price, considering there is 10 products in this box. And if you are a subscriber, you get this box for £12.50. What? That is crazy price. It says here that that is even less than last year. The contents of this box is reported to be worth over £105 and featuring 10 beauty products. And apparently 7 of them are full size and 3 of them are deluxe. But yeah, let's get this bad boy open and see what we've got. So this is inside the box. The presentation is always spot on. So we have the edit card, if I can get it out, right here. It has, I can't open it, it has all the information on the products that are in the box, and that is what it looks like. If you are interested in subscribing to GlossyBox, I have a link and I have a code. I will pop them in the information box and the comment box. And yeah, it costs £13.25 per month for a monthly beauty subscription. That does include postage. You get 5 products in your box every month. They range from skincare, hair care, beauty tools and makeup. If you click my link and use my code, you get your first monthly box for £10, which I think is an absolute steal. But yeah, let's wreck this packaging and see what's in here. So there is a sneak peek inside the box, but let's have a proper dig through to see what we've got. Right, so on the front of the edit card it just says Temptation Black Friday. There is a little note here as well. Let's have a little read at what that says. And it just says, we're suckers for a good beauty bargain here at Glossy HQ, which makes Black Friday one of the favourite times of the year. If, like us, you love getting your hands on fabulous beauty buys without breaking the bank, you're going to adore this Black Friday limited edition, bursting with 10 treats from the world of makeup, skin and body care. There's something for every glossy to enjoy, just waiting to be unboxed. So let's unbox it. Right guys, so the first product we have is this. I love this. So this is by the brand Nip and Fab. This is one of the full size products. The RRP for this is £12.95. It just says that this is a vitamin C scrub fix. Energising and illuminating, this exfoliating scrub is infused with vitamin C, coffee seed extract and coconut oil to effectively cleanse, nourish and renew your skin. These key ingredients also aid in reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and soften your complexion. So I am currently using this at the minute. My face does feel really refreshed afterwards. It doesn't feel overly dried at the end of it or tight or anything like that. It just feels perfect. So the second product we have is this. Look at that packaging. When you first look at it, you probably think of Illamasqua, but it's not. This is by the brand Josephine Cosmetics. Again, this is a full size product, and this is a Dew You, the Flawless Liquid Highlighter. The RRP for this is £26.20. So I have received one of these. I've got it to the side there because I don't want to open this and swatch it. So we're just going to pop that there for now. and we'll get this. It's in exactly the same shade, Meat Clay. This is what the packaging looks like. Excuse all of my fingerprints on it, but it looks very bougie indeed. So let's open it up. So we have a Dofa applicator there, and we'll just pop a swipe here, and that's what it looks like. So we'll just give it a dab, blend it in a bit, because you don't put a highlighter on like that. We'll just leave that like that. So yeah, you can see that glow there. As far as I can tell, to my naked eye, I can't see any bits of shimmer in there or anything, like obvious bits of glitter I mean. If so, it's very, very tiny if it is. But yeah, it's just gorgeous. That glow is absolutely beautiful. Product number 3 we have is this. So this is by Vita Libera. This is one of the deluxe products, and it's Invisi Foaming Tan Water. So it says here, let's have a look. A deluxe mini is 25 mils and is worth £3. A full size product, which is 200 mils, is worth £25. So yeah, this is £3. So yeah, I'm not really into tanning at the moment. But you know, even though that's a deluxe size, you actually get quite a bit of product in there. So at least you'll have one good try of it, see if you like it or not. You never know, one of these days I might do a tanning video, possibly. Right, so we are now on product number 4, and it is this. So this is by the brand Glov. This is a full size product, and it just says this is a mask remover. The RRP for this is £8.90. It just says simplify mud and clay mask removal with this innovative cleansing mitt, designed for quickly and effectively removing face masks from your skin. Made with special polyester fibres, this tool expertly catches the remains on your face mask. Use with water to reveal clarified complexion. So yeah, have I received this before? It looks very familiar. Have I got one? I possibly think I have, I'm not sure. So yeah, it does look very familiar. And yeah, you just pop your hand in like that and scrub away, well, not scrub away, gently cleanse away. But yeah, it feels really nice and soft. Right, so product number 5 we have is this. So this is by the brand The Beauty Crop, and it is a Wing Woman liquid eyeliner. So this is a full size, and the RRP for this is £7. It just says, for the perfect flirty feline flick or dramatic wing liner, look no further, because this liquid eyeliner is for you. This deep black formula will help you define your eyes the way you want without any fuss. We mean no smudging, and is sure to last you from day to night. So as you've probably seen, I'm not putting a face. Normally I do when I say an eyeliner, but have you noticed what's on my eyes today? I have eyeliner on. That's a pure coincidence. But yeah, I have eyeliner on. I mean, it's not done very well, but for the last couple of days I've actually been wearing eyeliner. I put it on the top lid, and I don't do a wing. I don't know what that's supposed to be, but yeah, I don't do a wing because I can't manage to get the wings matched up. Even the eyeliner itself, that one's thinner than that one, but never mind. I've actually been enjoying using it. Who even am I? But yeah, I'm actually going to open this and test it because I might just use it. So that is the tip there. It's very fine indeed. Okay, I was actually expecting it to be quite bendy, but it's not. It's quite solid. Ah, okay. So you can get quite a precise line with that as well. Yeah, that's really nice. And what I like about it as well, if you look, it's black, but it's not a deep, strong, in-your-face black. It's quite a subtle black. So yeah, I am gonna definitely try it out and see what it's like. Product number 6 is this. So this is by the brand Mitchell and Peach. This is a full-size product, and it's English Leaf Body Oil. The RRP for this is £23. I actually have this in my future giveaway. I will link the video just there. Click that video and it's going to show you that I've got 3 fantastic prizes for 3 people to win. It's not the giveaway video, it's just showing you what's going to be in the giveaway when I reach 2,000 subscribers, so make sure that you have subscribed. But yeah, it just says containing almond oil and vitamin E, this nourishing body oil leaves skin feeling soft and scented. Reminiscent of freshly cut meadow grass, this oil is fragranced with English leaf, a blend of soft citruses, coriander leaves, basil, mint and floral oils from the Mitchell estate. It's beautiful. It is absolutely beautiful. So not only have I got one in the giveaway that I'm going to be doing, I had another one that I used as well, and yeah, it is absolutely gorgeous. Right, so product number 7 is this. So this is by the brand Loli London. This is one of the full size products, and this is an ombre blush in the shade Haze. The RRP for this is £5.95. So Loli London is an affordable makeup brand, and they do some gorgeous products. It just says here, whether you're after a natural flush or want to make a serious statement, this ombre blush can help you totally tailor your look. In the shade Haze, this beautiful blusher is perfect for creating the ultimate rosy flush in an instant. Yeah, this is fab. I actually have this, have I? Yeah, I'm gonna go get it because I don't want to swatch this. Right, so here it is. So we'll pop this one over there. That's what it looks like inside there, and I'm gonna take a swatch from either side of the ombre. And there that is there. You can see that's the darker one on top. I don't know if you can tell on my camera though, that's the only thing. But it is a really nice matte blusher. Very pigmented indeed. Right guys, so product number 8 is this. So this is by the brand Dr. Botanicals, and it is full size. This is also in my future giveaway as well, so make sure you go and watch that video to see what other awesome prizes are in there. This is hemp infused natural moisturizer. The RRP is £15.99. It just says protecting, nourishing and hydrating skin for a smooth looking complexion. This moisturizer is a dream. Infused with hemp seed oil, which contains all 21 amino acids and is rich in omega-3 and omega-6 essential fatty acids, and cocoa butter, which helps to lock in moisture and reduce water loss. You're sure to boast a glowing, hydrating complexion in no time. So yeah, this, I actually love using this. I've used one myself, and yeah, like I say, it's in my giveaway. Go check it out. Right, product number 9 is this. So this is by the brand Brave New Hair. This is a deluxe size and it's keratin mask concentrate. So let's have a look. So for a deluxe size, it's 50 mils that you get, and it's worth £5. If you were to buy a full size, that's 250 mils, that's £13. But that's quite a good size to get a couple of hair masks out of it, and you can judge if you like it or not. It just says getting to work in just 5 minutes. This magnificently moisturising treatment restores essential hydration almost instantly. Perfect for those with dry damaged hair, which is me at the moment with the bleach. Oops. This deeply conditioned formula strengthens and smooths strands whilst boasting elasticity and shine too. So I'm sure I've received one of these before. I'm sure. Is it in my mask drawer? This smells of coconut. Oh, I love coconut. I don't think the other one smells of coconut. It must be something different. That smells absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna have to do some hair videos, hair mask videos and so on, because I've got quite a few of them building up now. But yeah, that I am excited to use. Right, so the last and final product number 10 is this. So this is by the brand Beauty Pro, one of my favourite hair mask brands indeed. And this is obviously full size. It's brightening sheet mask. The RRP for this is £4.95, so very affordable indeed. It just says with key ingredients, collagen, vitamin C and aloe vera, this wonder working mask rebalances skin tone, brightens your complexion, all in just 15 minutes. Also great at improving skin's elasticity, this sheet mask is ideal for anti-aging treatment too. After one use, it'll reveal a youthful, radiant glow whilst also tackling fine lines and wrinkles and pigmentation. So I have fine lines, I have wrinkles unfortunately, and I have pigmentation. So this suits me down to the ground. Love a good face mask. Right guys, so this is the Black Friday limited edition edit. What do you think? So personally, I think this box is amazing for the price. It is so good. So the value of this box is £105, and even if you're a non-subscriber, you can get it for 20 quid. So basically £2 a product. That's amazing, absolutely amazing. Even better if you are a subscriber, £12.50. I mean, that's so cheap for all of them products. 7 full-size products, 3 deluxe minis. Even though I was gifted this box, I always try and look at it as if I purchased this box, would I be happy? And hell yeah, I would be happy. So happy. I am in love with the contents of this box. So yeah, I know we've had a few products in the boxes over the last year, but it does state in here that it's beauty products that we've all loved over the last year in the beauty boxes. So yeah, I can't say how happy I am, and I'm not just saying that because it was gifted to me. That concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.